All right, this is the test run of the hydroponic tower that we've been working on for, about 3 weeks now at school. This entire thing, well, except for the Homer bucket down here, but all the blue and white was printed on our two 3D printers. There's multiple pieces to it, as you can see. Got a separate cap, spacer, this section here, the two-piece module, these pieces, which are individual pieces here, more spacers. We've got a 3-piece here down on the bottom that'll actually, this will be a filler port and where the cords will run there. And we will use this to grow kale, lettuce, chives, spinach, and I think there's something else the kids wanted to grow, but basically salad things. And then as the items start to grow and get bigger and bigger out of here in the hydroponics, we can print more spacers and just insert them and make it taller so that these can trail down a little bit more. But if the previous things that we've grown in the hydroponics on the flat trays are any indication, the kids will eat it before it ever gets that long. So the way this works is there is a submersible pump down in the 5-gallon bucket here that's full of water, obviously. And then there's a pipe that leads up through the center here, goes up to the top, hits the top, and it disperses the water down through each of these, as you can see right here. And then what happens is that each of these inside of there will have a plant pod growing inside of it, and the roots will get watered through here. And it's all done with water. This will be filled with nutrients once a week that are all organic, that we buy at a local grow shop down in Tewksbury, Massachusetts, where the school's located. And so everything is organic. The kids will learn about mixing the fertilizers like we currently do with our existing 3 ebb and flow trays. But this will be different because it's a totally different system. This one is vertical versus horizontal, and it's a different system. This will also be on a timer, which we haven't figured out yet. The other system is on a flood tray, so we flood it every 2 to 3 hours depending on what's growing, and we flood it for 15 minutes to 30 minutes. This one, because it's on a trickle, we may not have to turn it off as often because it's not really flooding the roots. So it'll be a good experiment, and everything we do we log, so it'll be interesting to see. But anyway, this was the first run and it worked. So I'm very, very happy for myself as the teacher, and I'm going to be really happy for the kids when we set this up on Tuesday during our hydroponics lab session. And I'm also happy to announce, due to the success of our system, that our director has doubled the size of our lab space. So we'll be expanding our lab this winter. There we go.